We all dream of becoming rich, right? Who wouldn't want to travel first class to exotic destinations, own luxury homes across the globe, or have the freedom to never worry about bills again? But here's the truth. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about luck or inheritance. It's about following proven principles that real millionaires live by every single day. In this video, I'm going to share 10 powerful rules that can help you join the Millionaires Club, and every single one of them comes straight from people who've already made it. So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed, because these millionaire secrets could literally change your financial future. Let's kick things off with a golden rule from billionaire investor and Shark Tank star, Mark Cuban. Never live beyond your means. This sounds simple, right? But this one principle separates the future millionaires from those who stay stuck in debt forever. Imagine this. You make $1,500 a month, but your lifestyle costs $1,800. You're losing $300 every single month. That's $3,600 a year, and over a decade, that's more than $36,000 sunk into debt. Now, let's flip that. What if you spend just $1,200 a month and invest the extra $300? In 10 years, with the power of compounding, that same amount could grow into tens of thousands of dollars, all because you learned to live below your means. As Mark Cuban says, you should act broke even when you're not. Millionaires think long-term, not paycheck to paycheck. Next up, let's talk about building financial security. Reality TV star and self-made entrepreneur Bethany Frankel, who built a multi-million-dollar brand from scratch, says one of the biggest lessons she learned was this: always have enough saved to cover your bills, no matter what happens. Here's how to apply it. Before you buy anything on credit or take out a loan, make sure you have an equal amount saved up in cash. That cushion isn't just money in the bank, it's peace of mind. It's the difference between navigating an emergency with confidence and spiraling into total panic. This rule might not sound flashy, but real millionaires know that stability always comes before success. Alright, rule number 8, cut out impulse spending. You know that feeling when you walk into a store, see something shiny, and feel that rush of, I have to have it? Well, that's how people go broke, not how they get rich. Actress Sarah Michelle Gellar, who's worth over $20 million, says she never buys anything on impulse. Her secret: she'll wait a few days before making a purchase, and more often than not, she realizes she doesn't actually need it. Try this yourself. The next time you want something expensive, just wait 48 hours. You'll be absolutely amazed how often that must-have item just disappears from your mind. Remember, discipline builds wealth. Impulse destroys it. Moving on to rule number 7, invest in what you know. Millionaire entrepreneur Ashton Kutcher isn't just a famous actor, he's a brilliant investor. And his secret is surprisingly simple: only invest in what you truly understand. Think about it. If you love wine, learn the wine business. If you've spent years working in marketing, maybe you should consider starting a digital agency. Use your unique experience as your biggest advantage. Kutcher made his fortune by sticking to industries he was passionate and knowledgeable about, and that's a rule anyone can follow. Don't chase random trends you see online. Invest in what you truly understand and believe in. Rule number 6 might surprise you. Use public transportation. You might think millionaires are always driving luxury cars, right? But not Kevin O'Leary. The Shark Tank mogul, worth over $400 million, proudly uses Uber and Lyft instead of owning cars. He calls cars money-thirsty vampires because they drain your finances through maintenance, insurance, gas, and depreciation. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses value. So, take a page from Mr. Wonderful's playbook and cut down on unnecessary costs. The less money you waste on things that lose value, the more you can put toward investments that grow your wealth. Next, the legendary Tony Robbins, author and financial strategist, brings us rule number 5. Invest wisely and consistently. He says, compound interest is the most powerful force in your investment arsenal. Even small, consistent investments in things like index funds, ETFs, or high-yield savings accounts can grow exponentially over time. The trick isn't about trying to time the market perfectly, it's about time ** the market. The sooner you start, the better. Even if you only invest $50 a week, you're building a powerful habit that will make your money work for you while you sleep. Coming in at number 4 is a rule that fuels everything else. Love what you do. When asked how she built her billion-dollar empire, Oprah Winfrey said it all started with passion. At 17, she earned just $100 a week working at a radio show, but she admitted she would have done it for free. That passion made her exceptional, and excellence always attracts wealth. When you love your work, you stop chasing money, and instead, money starts chasing you. So find your purpose, and give it your all. That's the true millionaire mindset. Rule number 3, save like you mean it. Personal finance guru Suze Orman says the happiest people aren't those who spend the most, they re the ones who feel secure because they save. Her secret is to reframe your thinking. Treat saving as a reward, not a punishment. Every dollar you save is a dollar that's buying your future freedom. Get practical. Use coupons. Track your expenses with an app, and most importantly, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account right after you get paid. This builds your discipline muscle, and soon, saving becomes second nature, not a sacrifice. Rule number 2 is one that many people are afraid of. Ask for help. Filmmaker Spike Lee, worth over $40 million, has one piece of unconventional advice. Never be afraid to ask for money, he says. If you truly believe in your idea, you have to ask for funding. Ask friends, family, or investors. One yes can change everything. Millionaires aren't afraid to ask for what they need. They're afraid of giving up on their dreams. Remember, courage creates opportunities that fear will never allow. And finally, the number 1 rule comes from the king of investing himself, Warren Buffett. Invest for the long term. Buffett, worth over $80 billion, built his massive fortune by thinking in terms of decades, not days. He doesn't flip stocks for a quick profit. He buys great companies and holds them for the long haul. His philosophy is simple: be patient, let your money grow. This principle works because it removes emotion and relies on the steady power of the market. Anyone can start investing today, even with small amounts, and let compound growth do all the heavy lifting for you. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus millionaire rule that ties everything together. Know where your money goes. If you don't know where your money is going each month, you'll never be able to control it. Create a simple budget, track your spending, and identify where you can cut unnecessary costs. A great way to do this is to separate your income into 3 buckets: bills, savings, and investments, and then automate the process. Wealth always begins with awareness. So let's recap the millionaire rules. Live below your means, build a safety net, avoid impulse spending, invest in what you know, use public transport, invest wisely and consistently, love what you do, save diligently, ask for help, and think long term. And always, always know where your money is going. If you made it this far, congratulations, you're already thinking like a millionaire. Which one of these rules are you going to start applying today? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another wealth building video. And remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to make your money make more money for you. Thanks for watching.